welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to do a power hour. I have a list written out here and I'm going to set the timer on my phone and see if I can accomplish all of this in 1 hour. I feel like it's going to be a challenge, especially when filming because I have to move the tripod and the camera around in different spots. So that's gonna take up a little bit of my time, but I'm going to totally ignore that and just see what I can get done in an hour. So this is my list if you're interested. So far I wrote down, make the bed and clean the bedroom. Clean the bathroom, vacuum and mop all floors, do a quick clean in the kitchen, start a load of laundry, clean the cat's bathroom, and clean my filming makeup room. So we'll see how that goes. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to tackle all this, but let's get started. So I'm setting my timer now. Yo, my heart is pumping. I'm getting nervous now because I'm challenging myself. Okay. So here we go. Start.
So I started off this power hour by first making my bed. I feel like if when you wake up in the morning after you drink your coffee and you wake up a little bit, if you make your bed first, it'll help motivate you to get everything else done that you need to get done in your home. Filming this power hour and challenging myself to do it got me super nervous, and I feel like it took me like 3 hours to make this bed, and then I swear it seemed like everything that could go wrong just kept going wrong. So I wanted to encourage you, if you are going to challenge yourself to do this power hour and things start going wrong or you spill something or you mess up something, just keep on keeping on. Do not give up. Just keep going and get her done. So while picking up all of my garbage in this little plastic bag, I didn't realize it had a hole in it till I put that can in there and realized there was a hole in that bag and I spilled Coke on the floor. So now I'm having to stop in the middle of my power hour, this extreme cleanup power hour, and I'm having to clean up this Coke off the floor. Thankfully, that Clorox stuff I told you guys about, it cleaned it up so quick. I didn't even have to put a lot of effort into it. But yeah, before you put a Coke can in a plastic bag that has a little Coke left in it, you might want to make sure there ain't a hole in that bag. So I didn't end up doing a lot of cleaning in my bathroom. I didn't clean the shower or the toilet or anything. I just vacuumed the floor and mopped it and wiped off my countertop because I felt like if I would have tried to do all of those other things and everything else, I wouldn't have been able to make it within an hour. So I left those two things out and just did as little as I could in my bathroom. So my husband ended up calling in the middle of all this, which was a huge distraction, and it kind of made it harder on me to have to take my cleaning products with me, my tripod, my camera, and my phone. So I would probably suggest to put your phone to the side, because if not, you're going to get a little bit sidetracked. So I ended up running out of the Clorox solution and I didn't feel like making another bottle, so I just went in with that Smartly spray that I got from Target. It's $1.59 for this huge bottle, and it smells like flowers and roses. It smells amazing. It's an all-purpose cleaner, so I figured I could use that on the floor also, and it helped because I ran out of my other stuff. So now I am starting on the cat's bathroom, and I'm just wiping out the sink and the countertop. And yes, they do like to sleep in the sink. I have bought them beds. They don't care about beds. They don't like them. They only like to sleep in the sink, so that's where I let them sleep if that makes them happy. Anyways, if you don't want to see me cleaning the cat's bathroom and dealing with litter and all that, you can just skip this part of the video. But if you don't care, then just keep on watching. So I am just emptying their litter boxes out in a garbage bag. It's just easy to take the whole litter box, put it in the garbage bag, and then just shake all the litter out. And then I just end up wiping it clean with a wet paper towel and then refilling it with new litter. This crystal litter that I use is really nice, and it doesn't track a lot, but there is a little bit sometimes. So I'm just sweeping it up off the bathroom floor, sweeping it into a pile in the shower, and then I'm using my hand vacuum to vacuum it up. Now I'm just spraying down the shower and wiping it out. Nobody uses this bathroom or the shower. It's the cat's bathroom, so yeah, that's why we're able to keep the litter boxes in the shower. Now I am mopping the floor, and then I'm going to put the rugs back down and then fill the litter boxes with a fresh new bag of crystal litter. So I got everything clean and almost done, and then my battery died on my camera, so I had to take a break, which I will tell you about now. So I finished make the bed, clean the bedroom, clean the bathroom, vacuum mop all the floors, quick clean the kitchen, start a load of laundry, clean the cat's bathroom. Last thing I have to do is the makeup room. I'm going to take a break though, pause my timer, and restart when I'm ready. So I've restarted my timer, and pretty much I don't really clean this entire room in this video. I just vacuum the floor and hang up some shirts that needed to be hung up, and that's pretty much it. I was kind of pooped out and tired at this point, so yeah, that's about all I got done in here.
So I stopped my timer. I had 20 minutes and 52 seconds left until the hour was up. Let me just tell y'all something. I could have done a way better job with more cleaning, I guess, like a more in-depth, thorough type of clean. But I was challenging myself to see what I could do within 1 hour. And I think I accomplished a lot. I sped through it though, like I tried to be as fast as I could because I felt the pressure. I was like, can I even do this? I wrote down quite a few things. So I didn't know if I could do all that in an hour, but it looks like I did it all in under an hour. Like I said, I just kind of like went through the rooms fast cleaning, but I still did a lot. So the clothes are in the washer. I still need to put those in the dryer when they're done. Then I need to fold those clothes. I still have to shower. I didn't do an in-depth cleaning in my makeup room because I really just didn't feel like it, to be honest with you. I really just wanted to vacuum mainly and hang those shirts up and put them away. And I did all that, and let me just tell you something. I'm sweating. I feel disgusting. My hands feel so dry and like sandpapery. And yeah, I think I just want to relax now and not move all day. How about you? Okay, so anyways, I want to challenge you. I want you to get a piece of paper. I want you to make a list of things that you want to do. You can copy mine if you want to, minus the cat bathroom, because I don't know if everybody has a cat bathroom, but yeah. But I want you to make a list. It doesn't matter how many things it is, just challenge yourself. Put whatever you want down and set a timer on your phone, on your microwave, wherever you have a timer, and see what you can do within an hour. Challenge yourself and see if you can do all of that in 1 hour. It seriously, it got me so hyped up. I was like full of energy, and I didn't even have that energy before, but because I knew I was timing myself and I wanted to challenge myself, whew, it was intense. Okay, I'm just saying. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to hear from you, so leave me some comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by hitting the bell beside this subscribe button. Cats? Okay, they were making some noise. So that you'll always be notified when I post a new video. Yay! Okay, give me thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time. I am pooped out, and I still have to take a shower. And my husband's on his way home. So yeah, all right then. I will see y'all later. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye.